Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, surrounded by people, habits, and situations that drain your energy? It's like trying to swim with weights tied to your ankles. You're never gonna make it. But today, I got you. Here's how to successfully detach from negative influences and start living your best life. Step 1. Recognize the problem. First things first, you gotta spot the negativity. Is it that one friend who always brings drama? That job that makes you miserable? The bad habits you know aren't serving you? The moment you recognize it, you've taken the first step. Step 2. Set boundaries. Like a boss. Now, let's talk boundaries. Stop entertaining toxic energy. Mute, block, unfollow, ghost. Whatever you gotta do. If it doesn't bring peace, it's gotta go. And trust me, the moment you start saying no, you take back control of your life. Step 3. Replace the negative with positive. You can't just cut things off and leave a void. You gotta fill it with good energy. Hit the gym, pick up a new skill, surround yourself with people who inspire you. When you make space for better things, negativity won't have room to sneak back in. Look, I get it. Letting go is hard. But trust me, once you remove the weights holding you down, you'll finally start to rise. If you're ready to level up, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Drop a comment and tell me, what's one toxic habit or person you're cutting off this year? Let's talk.